This one I actually had on my dresser. It is the mango papaya. I use it in my hair. It's a great treatment for hair loss and regrowing thin hair. I also use it in my brows. Every night I make sure to get my little spoolie, dip it in this product, and then brush it through my eyebrows. So making sure that I coat each hair follicle with the oil. I make sure to use whatever's left over on the spoolie and comb it right through my eyelashes. Look at my nails. I make sure to rub Jamaican Black Castor Oil around my cuticles, and I even get underneath the nails. Every night before I go to sleep, I make sure to slather on a coat of oil on my face. I like to just put it on my body. You know, it just gives you a nice healthy glow. Your skin looks moisturized and rich and refreshed. I just like that look.